Welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Adventure, and here is Ram and Shiva. So in this video we are going to share how Ram and Shiva were engaged during these summer holidays. So what all they have learned, what all activities they have done, and what new skills they have learned. So stay tuned. So let's get started. Shiva, what did you do? Show me.
So what I did over these summer holidays, so first I did this canvas painting.
So first of all, they went for a summer camp. It was a 5-day summer camp. It was like 2 hours. The session was for 2 hours, and each day they did new activity. So first day they did canvas painting.
Yeah.
So Shiva did this canvas painting,
And then did this one.
Ram did this one.
Yeah, with some help with the teacher.
Okay, with the help of teacher.
Yeah.
Second activity on the second day they did is
Clay. It's a magnet. We could stick it on the fridge or something.
oh, okay.
They're clay magnets. So
Clay magnets?
This one is mine, and then this one is Ram's.
Okay.
And then the next day we did these.
Clay frames.
Yeah, clay frames. So this one's Ram's, this one's mine. We need to put a picture in here.
And
Oh, okay.
He picked old gold.
Yeah,
Mine is
gold.
gold and white. Ram's is orange and red.
Okay, you want to ask them which one is good? You want to ask the audience? Okay, last one, last activity.
Then we did
Wall.
these wall hangings.
Okay,
The
just
boy is
okay.
there.
Okay,
The
wait.
wall hangings. So we painted on these wooden
Wooden blocks.
wooden blocks. This is Ram's and this one's mine.
Mine
Okay.
is the bedroom.
That's the chicken.
So you first draw the outline and then you painted them.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Wall hanging.
Right point is we need a hang on them.
Yeah, let's go and hang them. First, can you put those magnets? Let me check.
You put your
So these are wall hangings, right?
No, you have to hang on it first.
Yeah,
And
these are
then-
wall hangings.
What? No, you can't stick it there. You have to stick it here.
Plastics. You put the auntie.
No.
Auntie. No, to the aunt.
Oh.
So cute.
I'll put it down over there.
This cat looks so cute, Ram.
Chubby.
Chubby cat. Yeah. Okay. These are the fridge magnets.
Ball dolls.
And then, okay, next.